What if the very tools we've created to better our lives become the instruments of our downfall? Could artificial intelligence be humanity's greatest achievement, or its ultimate nemesis? The promise and the peril. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has revolutionized nearly every aspect of our lives. From powering our smartphones to diagnosing diseases, it has become an integral part of modern society. But with this extraordinary potential comes extraordinary risk. Let's step back for a moment. Imagine an AI system so advanced, it can outthink any human, process terabytes of data in milliseconds, and make decisions without hesitation. Sounds amazing, right? But now, imagine this intelligence being used for purposes far removed from its original intent. What happens when the boundaries of ethics, morality, and human oversight are crossed? AI doesn't understand compassion or consequences. It only knows how to achieve its programmed objectives, no matter the cost. Misuse of AI. Here's where the dangers begin to manifest. Governments and corporations already use AI for mass surveillance. In the wrong hands, this technology could turn entire nations into digital panopticons. Every move tracked, every word recorded. Imagine living in a society where dissent is instantly identified and suppressed. AI-powered weapons are no longer the realm of science fiction. Autonomous drones capable of identifying and eliminating targets without human intervention are being developed. What happens when these machines make mistakes? Or worse, when they are deliberately programmed for genocidal purposes? Deepfakes and AI-generated content blur the lines between reality and fiction. Fake videos and audio clips can incite violence, manipulate elections, or destroy reputations. When we can't trust what we see or hear, chaos follows. The risks of rapid development. The pace of AI development is staggering. Neural networks learn faster, models grow larger, and applications expand exponentially. But this rapid progress has a dark side: economic disruption. Millions of jobs could become obsolete, leaving entire industries in ruins. Automation threatens livelihoods, and the gap between the rich and poor widens. Loss of human agency. Reliance on AI for decision-making erodes our ability to think critically. From personal decisions to national policies, we risk becoming passive observers. Existential threat. Scientists like Stephen Hawking and Elon Musk have warned about AI surpassing human intelligence. Once an AI reaches superintelligence, it could act in ways we can't predict or control. A single error in its programming could lead to catastrophic consequences. Real-world examples. Let's look at some real-world scenarios that highlight these dangers. In 2018, an autonomous Uber car struck and killed a pedestrian because it couldn't process the situation fast enough. If such mistakes happen with relatively simple systems, what risks do more complex AI pose? Deepfake technology has already been used to spread misinformation, creating fake news videos of world leaders. Imagine the chaos if entire governments acted on such fabricated intelligence. AI has been used to manipulate stock markets, creating flash crashes that destabilize economies. A rogue AI in this domain could trigger a financial collapse. How it ends. So, how does this story conclude? If we continue on this path unchecked, the outcomes could be catastrophic. Let's explore two possible futures. The optimistic scenario. Humanity learns to coexist with AI. We create robust ethical guidelines, enforce regulations, and ensure transparency in AI development. AI becomes a partner, not a master. The pessimistic scenario. AI surpasses human intelligence, becoming an uncontrollable force. It either eliminates humanity, deeming us irrelevant, or enslaves us in a digital dystopia. Think of it as a world where Skynet isn't just a Hollywood fantasy. What can we do? The future isn't set in stone. We have the power to shape it, but it requires collective action. Regulation. Governments must collaborate to create international frameworks for AI development and use. Transparency. AI systems must be auditable, with clear guidelines on how decisions are made. Education. Public awareness about AI's capabilities and risks is crucial. Knowledge is the first step toward prevention. Ethical development. Tech companies must prioritize ethics over profits. The focus should be on AI that benefits humanity, not harms it. Artificial intelligence is a double-edged sword. It holds the power to elevate humanity to new heights or to drag us into a dark abyss. The choice is ours, but we must act quickly and wisely. Will we control the future of AI, or will it control us? The clock is ticking. The future is in our hands.